Hello and a very warm welcome, Abheji and Anshika. Thank you for joining in. And today we are talking about overcoming the tasks that face you in life. From this amazing book, The Courage to be Disliked. And आज ही मेरे को पता चला है कि इसके अंदर और भी है, The Courage to be Happy. है अंशिका? वाह! मैं सोच रही हूँ कि इसके आगे ये वाली बुक खत्म होने के बाद वी कैन स्टार्ट विद दैट वन, कि हमारे पास सीक्वल हो जाएगा कि डिसलाइक तो ठीक है, अभी हैप्पी की भी बात सुन लो. All right, let me share the screen very quickly so that we can start reading and understand this. Overcoming the tasks that face you in life. Youth. Okay, but there's still a problem. It's a statement. All problems are interpersonal relationship problems. I can see that the feeling of inferiority is an interpersonal relationship worry and that it has certain effects on us. And I accept as logical the idea that life is not a competition. I cannot see other people as comrades, and somewhere inside me, I think of them as enemies. This is clearly the case. But the thing I find puzzling is, why does Adler place so much importance on interpersonal relationships? Why does he go so far as to say all of them? Philosopher. The issue of interpersonal relationships is so important that no matter how broadly it is addressed, it never seems to suffice. Last time I told you, what you're lacking is the courage to be happy. You remember that, right? Youth. I could not forget it if I tried. Philosopher. So, why do you see other people as enemies? And why can't you see them? Why can't you think of them as your comrades? It is because you have lost your courage and you are running away from your life tasks. Youth. My life tasks? Philosopher. Right. This is a crucial point. In Adlerian psychology, clear objectives are laid out for human behavior and psychology. Youth. What sort of objectives? Philosopher. First, there are two objectives for behavior: to be self reliant and to live in harmony with society. Then the objectives for the psychology that supports these behaviors are the consciousness that I have the ability and the consciousness that people are my comrades. Youth, just a moment. I'm writing this down. There are the following two objectives for behavior: to be self reliant and to live in harmony with society. And there are following two objectives for the psychology that supports these behaviors: the consciousness that I have the ability and the consciousness that people are my comrades. Okay, I can see that it is a crucial subject. To be self reliant as an individual while living in harmony with the people and society. It seems to tie in with everything we have been discussing. Youth. Then, what are life tasks? Oh, sorry, philosopher. And these objectives can be achieved by facing what Adler calls life tasks. Youth. Then, what are life tasks? Philosopher. Let's think of the word life as tracing back to childhood. During childhood, we were protected by our parents and can live without needing to work. But eventually, the time comes when one has to be self reliant. One cannot be dependent on one's parents forever, and one has to be self reliant mentally, of course, and self reliant in a social sense as well. And one has to engage in some form of work which is not limited to the narrow definition of work at a company. Furthermore, in the process of growing up, one begins to have all kind of friend relationships. Of course, one may form love relationship with someone that may even end up to marriage. If it does, one will start a marital relationship. And if one has children, a parent child relationship will begin. Adler made three categories of the interpersonal relationships that arise out of these processes. He referred to them as task of work, task of friendship, and task of love, and all together as life tasks. तो हमारे पास थ्री टास्क है, task of work, task of friendship, and task of love, and all together are life tasks. Youth. Are these tasks the obligations one has as a member of society? In other words, things like labor and payment of taxes? Philosopher. No. Please think of this solely in terms of interpersonal relationships. That is, the distance and the depth in one's interpersonal relationships. Adler sometimes used the expression three socialities to emphasize the point. Youth. The distance and depth in one's interpersonal relationships? Philosopher. The interpersonal relationships that a single individual has no choice but to confront when attempting to live as a social being. These are the life tasks. They are indeed tasks in the sense that one has no choice but to confront them. Youth. Would you be more specific? Philosopher. First, let's look at the task of work. Regardless of kind of work, there is no work that can be completed all by oneself. For instance, I'm usually here in my study writing manuscripts for a book. Writing it completely autonomous work that I cannot have someone else do for me. But then there is the presence of the editor and many others, without whose assistance the work would not be realized. From the people who handle book design and printing to the distribution and bookstore staff, work that can be completed without the cooperation of other people is, in principle, unfeasible. Youth. Broadly speaking, I suppose so. Philosopher. However, considered from the viewpoint of a distance and depth, interpersonal relationships of work may be said to have the lowest hurdles. Interpersonal relationships of work have the easy to understand common objective of obtaining good results, so people can cooperate even if they don't always get along. And to some extent, they have no choice but to cooperate. As long as a relationship is formed solely on the basis of work, it will go back to being a relationship with an outsider when working hours are over or one changes jobs. Youth. Yes, so true. Philosopher. And the ones who get tripped up in the interpersonal relationships at this stage are the people referred to as NEET, needs. A young person not in education, employment, or training, or shut-ins, a person confined indoors. Youth. Huh, wait a minute. Are you saying that they don't try to work simply because they want to avoid the interpersonal relationships that are associated with work? Not that they don't want to work or they are refusing to do a manual labor. Philosopher. Putting aside the question of whether or not they are conscious of it themselves, interpersonal relationships are at the core. For example, a man sends out resume to find work and gets interviews, only to be rejected by one company after another. It hurts his pride. He starts to wonder what the purpose in working is if he has to go through such things. Or he makes a big mistake at work. The company is going to lose a huge sum of money because of him. Feeling utterly hopeless, as if he has plunged into darkness, he can't bear the thought of coming into work the following day. None of these are examples of the work itself becoming disagreeable. What is disagreeable is being criticized or rebuked by others through the work, getting labeled as having no ability or being incompetent or unsuited to the work, and hurting the dignity of one's irreplaceable self. In other words, everything is an interpersonal issue. Wow, very beautifully stated. Um, in the beginning of this book as well, this philosopher told this guy he has a problem of not going out of. So this guy was sharing some friend's story who does not want to go out of the house. There as well, he referred to it as an interpersonal relationship problem because it's not the fear of going out. It's about how people will perceive you, what will people think of me, whether they will like me or not, and all such kind of things make the person stay inside and not go out, or maybe not go all out either. There are so many times when we go on a, so for example, when I went to MMI, the first day I was very sophisticated, sitting like this. I was not doing much, and I was like, nice, clap, and this and that. And that day I realized I and a friend of mine were together that night. And while we were discussing the teachings of the day, she said, Karishma, the problem with you is you're not going all out. Till the time you don't go all out, you won't learn. And the next day I was standing on the stage dancing. Ha 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 ha. And I was finding it funny, but I was like, I have to break this barrier. But I found the energy in those 2 days, the last 2 days were immense. I saw myself hugging people. I saw myself, feeling the feelings that were very deep inside of me. Maybe I never gave it a thought, but all of them started floating. Yes, Millionaire Mind Intensive. And this program was hosted by Success Gyan.
Oh, yeah. I also done that.
Oh, all right. Great. तो उसके अंदर जाके आई सॉ मैसिव शिफ्ट, एंड उसके बाद वहां से आने के बाद भी आई वाज सो हाई ऑन द एनर्जी कि मेरे को घर के अंदर वो जो स्टेप्स चढ़ने थे देवर सीमिंग कि ये चढ़ क्यों नहीं पा रही हूँ, एंड आई एक्चुअली ड्रिप्ट एज वेल, क्योंकि वो एनर्जी मेरी इतनी आई थी कि मेरे को भागना है एंड देयर वाज द डोर एंड आई जस्ट ड्रिप्ट एंड माय हस्बैंड वाज लाइक क्या हो गया, क्या हो गया, एंड आई वाज लाइक वो कुछ नहीं, आई थिंक मेरी टांगे कांप रही है, यहाँ पे ठंड बहुत है, होटल वाज वार्मर. And he was like, okay, that's okay. But yes, there are times when you hold yourself in a shell, maybe because of the fear as to what people are going to think about you. And that's what I got reminded of while reading this. Let's hear your shares and learnings. Anshika, let's hear it from you.
So yeah, you were telling that we started this book. So my first thought was that recalling, right? All problems are just because of interpersonal skills. So if we don't have that interpersonal interactions, there won't be any conflict or any problems, right? So imagine we being just one person on entire planet. There is no conflict. We will be not like, so that's where, and my understanding is like, two people when they interact, they come from their model of world, like they, one person has their understanding and other person is their understanding, and the moment we come with the like I am better than you or you are lower than me or some kind of that thought, that's where the conflict. I am respecting mine and I respect yours, and you respect mine, I am respecting your. So this is what I understood when he said you need two elements to have the balance, like self-reliant, so you respect your model of the world and you also respect the other person's model of the world, and all, and that's what will create harmony. So like in the beginning only you said this one, right? And then he was elaborating all the. So
Yes.
yeah, so we have to work with people. Like there are three areas that he mentioned that we have to interact with people. There is no other way. We live with humans, and the conflicts will happen, things will happen that we will not like. So this is what is self-reliant and harmony, like how we can respect ourselves and how we can respect others is the entire journey of making it smoother, I would say. Not easier though. But yeah, this is my take.
Wow. Wonderful. Let's hear it from Abhijit.
So actually, I think this book, the intention of this book is to get the courage, right? What it names the courage to be disliked. And and it is related to the relations, right, what we are reading. So I'm getting it like, it's based on the how we relate to others. And like, I mean to say this, I don't know much about the book, but what I'm assuming is the relationships.
So Adlerian psychology says that you are whatever is happening in your life has somewhere in relation to the interpersonal relationships that you have around you, and that is what this philosopher is supporting and going by. मतलब उसको उसको सबसे ज्यादा इसी के साथ मतलब वो है. तो there is two kind of psychologies that he has talked about: Freudian psychology and Adlerian. And he likes the Adlerian psychology, and he thinks that according to Adlerian psychology, all the problems that we face are due to interpersonal relationships problems.
So it is about like, what we expect from others and what others are expecting from us. If we understand that, then it will work,
Yes.
right?
And also it's like, till we stay in the competition, till we keep on comparing ourselves with one another, till we have the feelings of jealousy, envy, I don't know, he has more, he is superior, I am inferior, या फिर I am superior and he is inferior, तब तक there is going to be some problem or the another. And like Anshika said, in the earlier pages in this book only, that this point has been raised कि अगर हम अकेले ही होते पूरी दुनिया में तो we would not have any of these problems. That means कि हम कहीं ना कहीं किसी ना किसी के साथ अपने आप को कंपेयर कर रहे हैं, किसी से हमारी कोई एक्सपेक्टेशंस हो रही हैं जिसकी वजह से ये प्रॉब्लम्स.
And another thing I can like, comparison के साथ में, if I prove someone wrong and I prove my, like, even if somebody is right or wrong, it doesn't matter, but I will prove that कि I am right and someone else is wrong.
Yes, that's what
So
we
it
did
comes
yesterday.
comparison and other things, like, so because once I prove myself right or wrong, but there is ego, whatever, and that may be in between.
Yes. एंड कल हमने यही बात करी है वेरी एक्सटेंडेडली कि देर आर टाइम्स जब हम लोग क्यों मैं ठीक हूं बताने के चक्कर में सामने वाले को गलत लेबल कर देते हैं कि मैं ठीक हूं ना. हमारा फोकस हमारे ऊपर होता है. वी आर ट्राइंग टू प्रूव दैट आई एम राइट, बट समवेयर while proving that I am right, you are proving somebody else wrong. Somewhere when you are trying to prove that I am good, you are telling somebody that you are not good. Let's hear it from you, Renu. Why is your camera off tonight? Wow, nice.
Guests were at home and sorry. Remember, sorry, yesterday's lesson learned in a good way. What we were discussing today, I just got to interpersonal relations. I was saying ki my take on this was कि competition should be healthy. Like now we are making so many communities, coaches in a group. Like there it is healthy relations, healthy
So
interpersonal.
it is not a
Right.
competition.
Yes, that way it should be at home also, at work. You have to practice that by uplifting each other daily.
Absolutely.
Be the one to initiate that. It's okay. But you have to uplift and upgrade each other. The way you are doing. We are a coach, but you are doing that to us, right? Likewise. Yes.
Wow. All right, shall we wrap up the session here or you have anything else to share? अंशिका कोई NLP टेक्निक नहीं लगा रहे आज आप? कुछ NLP में सिखा दो.
Yes, really want to hear that, Anshika.
Give a scenario, like when scenario comes today, nobody ask about मेरी life में ऐसा हुआ तो.
Exactly.
So-
हाँ, वो होता है ना, तो then this
So
all
that
this
gives right, yeah. No, but still, yesterday, I was attending Tony Robbins, like he's doing 3 day session, right? He runs every year in January. So I was attending that, and he said something on competition. So I was trying to look that on internet. That's what I was doing. So he said something on that line, competition, in whichever language, I exactly don't remember. It's conspire to be success together, something on that line. So basically, competition, wherever that the word originated, it was the meaning to conspire to be successful together. And there are two ways of doing it. Either you can be against either the to show them you are better than them, you will improve, right? That's how you're conspiring. Or you can collaborate with each other to do it.
Exactly.
Like, okay, you are doing it, how did you do it, tell me that, and I did this something, because everyone has their own power, and how they are implementing it's totally different. So either we can collaborate and grow, or even we can inspire and grow, and both are healthy ways of doing it, as long as it's not affecting your behavior of doing it. For example, like
Next, when
मैं
you
उससे better हूं तो मैं उसको क्यों बताऊं, but मैं उससे सीख लूं. If that comes, then the problem starts. Yeah.
Yes.
there are times when I've
So
seen that when you are supporting each other, yet there is something, in your heart that starts making you feel a little smaller than the person in front of you. कि यार इसका हो गया, मेरा नहीं हो रहा है ना? यार उसकी तो इतनी सेल्स हो गई, मेरी तो अभी एक भी नहीं हुई है ना? कि I am sharing the suggestions with you. We are talking at the same level. We are sharing the same ideas. Yet why is it? ये क्वेश्चन आता है दिल में कभी कभी कि why is it that
yeah,
everything is working in her favor and it's not working for me? But I think that
स्कूल में मैंने उसको पढ़ाया था, मेरे नंबर
तो
तो नहीं
ऑफिसर
आए,
बन के
उसके
मैं तो
आ
पढ़ा
गए.
ही रही हूँ अभी तक.
Yeah, so as long as it's not affecting your behavior of taking action, okay, this thought came is okay, but what are you doing with this thought?
Yes.
Are you started to resenting that person? Are you cutting off? No, our further interactions won't be because I am helping and that person is growing. Like, what is the positive outcome that is coming? Or you are getting inspiration. Okay, if he can do it or she can do it, then why not let me do it? So
Well,
where you are
Anshika,
taking that?
I'm interrupting in this.
Yeah, yeah.
I remembered something ki, when a person is in front of your means, if we are in the same uh,
Group
same
of
tribe,
friends.
yes, group of friends, you
Mhm.
understood what I'm trying to say, right? I knew, she knows actually now. So there, you know what happens, that the other person is making a scenario, he means about me in my image, she doesn't know anything. She doesn't have any experience. She doesn't know anything. Again and again, again, and that is affecting my image in the society, in the field of this, what I am doing. So, see, what I didn't cut off myself with that person. I'm still friends. But what I did, I gave a list of, things to share, एंड शी डजंट नो अब मैं क्या कर रही हूँ. फाइन, बट खराब तो हो गया. तो हाउ टू मैनेज दैट, मतलब आई एम डूइंग माई पार्ट, सी आई एम डूइंग माई बिट, आई एम डूइंग एवरीथिंग, बट कहीं ना कहीं दैट फीलिंग इज देयर. यार ऐसा बोल दिया, काश ये नहीं करती तो हमारा फ्रेंडशिप इतने सालों की, मतलब एक वो स्टक नहीं होती उधर ही. So where I should work on myself to means upgrade myself. I cannot do anything for her. She has her own mindset for me. I cannot. But by uplifting and upgrading and seeing people around her will know ki what I am,
Mm-hmm.
to achieve that things, little things. But that feeling is not going. मतलब मैं
So
एक
there,
प्रूव करने के लिए, जो कल अपन बात कर रहे थे, प्रूव
wait, that
करने
there
के
are
लिए आई
two
वाज
parts of
डूइंग,
you.
बट समथिंग इज स्टिल हिंडरिंग मी टू, वो बोलते हैं ना, ग्रो करने के लिए, मतलब वो पैशन एंड वो चाहिए, पर वो बुरा लग रहा है तो आई एम अनेबल टू गो फर्दर इनटू दिस.
बुरा लग रहा है
बहुत ज्यादा, मतलब
is your
बहुत.
passion. बुरा लग रहा है is your fire. देखो, हम ना बहुत बार वो काम तब नहीं करते जब सब कुछ अच्छा अच्छा चल रहा होता है. The moment it is becoming worst and like there is a threshold, इससे नीचे तो नहीं जाना है. Like I am
हाँ
gaining weight 1 किलो 2 किलो 1.5 किलो 2 किलो हर महीने चल रहा है. It's okay. There comes a point, मेरी ये वाली फेवरेट ड्रेस फिट नहीं हो रही है. नाउ यू स्नैप, नहीं भाई, इससे 1 ग्राम ऊपर नहीं जाना है. एंड नाउ यू स्टार्ट वर्किंग. सो वी ऑल हैव दैट थ्रेशोल्ड फॉर एवरीथिंग. Whether it's relationship, you are having fight with your partners, there will be a point, इससे गंदा लड़ाई नहीं करना है. इतनी गंदी हो गई, now we have to do something. काउंसलर के पास जाओ, कुछ नए टेक्निक शुरू करो, right? And same with kids. Kids are not listening or like or something with kids. So we have a threshold for everything in our life. And that is right now where you are touching is your threshold. Break the threshold. And thresholds are never comfortable. And again, now coming to NLP, so we have a comfort zone, right?
right.
So whenever, like, I don't see comfort zone as a circle, I see as a box. So this is a box, a cube, not a 2-dimensional, 3-dimensional box. So whenever you are trying to do something, you are basically hitting at some of the wall. कहीं तो hit कर रहे हो, right? And the moment you hit, it hurts. It is never going to be pleasant, right? And that not so comfort thing has to happen for us to break it. So, and most of the time what we do is, like, when imagine this is a box and I am inside it, I hit once, अच्छा नहीं लगा, then I try to hit somewhere else, पर वहां पे भी अच्छा नहीं लगा, then we try. But what would have worked, like, वहीं पे दोबारा hit करो, दोबारा hit करो, दोबारा hit करो, and like at some attempts you will break. And that's where, and then comes the bigger box. So anyway, we are going to be in a box, right? We are always going to be in a box, but it is a bigger box now. So जब ये बुरा लग रहा है, how are you leveraging it, right? So that's why I said there is two part. One part of you is saying, let it go. I am focusing on my growth. Okay. She came from her model of world, so she don't know what. But then there is a part of you, you said, like, this is me, but it's affecting other people also. Not just you and her, but there are other people also in the equation where it is coming from, right? So that's where your need of proving to them, not to the person, but other people, like, I am worthy. But for now, just say, this is just my time. A seed has to go down to come up, right? जितना नीचे दबाओगे उतना ही ऊपर जाएगा. अगर वो ऊपर ऊपर रहा तो उसकी जड़ मजबूत नहीं होती है, right? We all know that. So imagine this is your phase of just going down for now. When you are hiding doesn't mean your worth, like, you have to reframe that, क्योंकि ये phase है अभी बस. Once you are out of this phase, everybody will know who you are and what your worth is. And you don't have to prove, like, that's what we, like, last 2 sessions only we discussed
Right.
this only. We don't have to prove ourselves to others. We just need to know what we are for us. हमारी capability क्या है. But yeah, again, we are social human. That need comes. I understand that. But remind yourself, this is my phase of just being under the soil or under the mud for some time, so that I grow my roots stronger and I grow my shoot stronger.
True.
Right?
Yes.
Wow.
So what do you say about that?
Same, I'm working on that, but that feeling, that attachment, because of the attachment, it is hurting now. Ki that beautiful bond broke. That is the reason.
वो आप सोच रहे
Which,
हो, आप
which,
break
which,
करो.
हाँ
आप
क्या
सोच रहे
कर
हो, आप ब्रेक मत करो. You are
No,
hurt.
break it. Like, for me, I believe break it. Like, for new things to come in your life, old thing
yes,
has to go.
yes, and
Right?
it happens, you know, I was reading somewhere ki when you are evolving and on the threshold of that, people will cut
Will
who is
come and
not
go.
good for you, for your growth. People will automatically, things will happen, and automatically you will break off, and you will not meet them,
Yes.
and you will not, that relations will not go ahead in life,
हाँ, that energy.
It will go ahead if
because
that
God
person
knows
is
now,
equally
because
working. They are also growing along with you, then it will work. Otherwise, it won't.
yes, it won't,
Yeah.
because she's saying ना, she doesn't know, इतना तो मैं भी बता दूंगी, मतलब मेरे ही सामने, to my other people. I was not selling my anything. We were just discussing. Bus. तो ऐसा नहीं होता कि अरे आई विल कम टू यू फॉर दिस एंड ऑल, बोला प्लीज। तो फिर उसने बोला हाँ इससे नहीं पूछो, मैं बताऊंगी, शी डजंट नो एनीथिंग, ये तो मुझसे पूछ पूछ के काम करती है।
That is her model of world. Yeah.
या
Let's
leave
hear
it,
your
So
leave
that
it.
is her pink sky basically. She is telling the
Yes,
pinky sky. Yeah, exactly.
yes, I am telling यार ब्लू ही है भाई, ब्लू ही है, I'll stick to that. Okay, fine,
let's see
Right.
fine,
what Sabheji has to share on this.
yes.
You suggest.
It was a nice sharing by you, Anshika and Renu, and what I see is like, to appreciate others, what they do. And so, generally, I prove myself to others, I am the best, I am better than you. Generally, I do that, in business. But if I see others, what they're best, and I appreciate for them, I know what I am. I don't need to tell others. But if I appreciate other people's capabilities, and it will inspire them, motivate them. Even in my staff, sometime in my office, I say rudely to my, आज तूने काम नहीं किया, because for whatever mistakes, because there is some pressures in, so कुछ बोल देते हैं गलती से, पर उससे कुछ काम नहीं होता, उल्टा वो डिमोटिवेट होता है। पर और उसके अगर कुछ अच्छा काम कर रहा है, if I appreciate, he will get motivation. So I'm to say appreciating others what they do. I think Karishma, you're free or what? Yeah.
Yeah.
मैं
So
तो
what
ठीक
that
हूँ,
what I want to share.
but I can hear you. Can you guys hear me?
Yes, we can hear you,
And can you see me
but
move?
we cannot see you.
No, but it's cracking.
Karishma's screen has been paused. I think.
कोई बात नहीं. I can hear you all. You keep continue talking.
Yeah, turn off your camera and turn it on. The
Experience, like I appreciate people and I appreciate a lot, तो वो उल्टा पड़ जाता है मेरे साथ.
balance is the
बैलेंस,
key.
यस बैलेंस, आई डोंट बैलेंस. आई फील
Yeah.
कि मतलब जो मुझे नहीं मिला ना, तो आई गिव वो लॉट ऑफ, ज्यादा ही दे देती, तो उसमें गड़बड़ हो जाता है actually.
उसमें एक गड़बड़ कभी हो सकती है कि when I appreciate someone in return, if I want to get something, कभी मान लो क्लाइंट के पास जा रहा हूँ और मुझे वो केस क्लोज करना है, तो उसको चढ़ा रहा हूँ, स्पून फीडिंग कर रहा हूँ, दैट इज नॉट एप्रिसिएशन. आई एम बट
Genuine
genuinely
appreciation करनी है.
appreciation means not expecting anything out of that. अगर मैं कुछ एक्सपेक्ट ही नहीं कर रहा हूँ ना, तो उनसे ना मुझे, आई एम जस्ट, मैं बोल के छोड़ रहा हूँ. मैं जैसे
That
बोलते हैं
too.
नेकी करो
Yeah.
और भूल जाओ.
यस करेक्ट
मैंने
करेक्ट.
बोला, उसको अप्रिशिएट किया, फिर मैं उसमें मन में नहीं रखता हूँ कि मैं उसके लिए वो मुझे क्या रिटर्न में, लाइक आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग, नो. सो देयर इज नथिंग देन, it doesn't like affect me, like मैंने कुछ गलत बोला या सही बोला, आई एम नॉट जजमेंटल. whatever I am say by क्या बोलते हैं, honestly I am doing that.
For me, appreciation why I give, when I see people feeling low, demotivated, there I say, "Nah, you have this thing in you. See that." That way I appreciate people a lot. उसमें ज्यादा हो जाता है बस, और कुछ नहीं.
Yeah. So one thing is coming. Is it okay to share? Yeah.
Yeah, please.
Yeah. So when you guys were talking, and this is what clicked, like recent incident in my life. So my daughter, she recently got into crafting. Like she's 6 years old. So she cuts paper in different shapes and she makes structures like puppets, humans, dolls. So she has been doing this for last 3-4 months now. So she's pretty much like comfortable doing this new craft. And yesterday, a couple of days back, first time she made a cat, like square box, then triangle ears, and then triangle body. It has a circular trail. So she did a creative thing by doing that. And we have been seeing her doing it for some time. Like she has made so many things. She has made people, she has made puppets, she has made me, like, and she has made her entire class. So she has made, like, I don't know, hundreds of them. And now that she made a cat, it is little ahead of her, because like she used her imagination to put ears and tail and all that. So it was good. So I appreciated, oh wow, this is a creative way to do it. How you come up with this idea? And she told me, and we are done there. I normally ask her 2 questions instead of appreciating it. And this is what I learned in parenting, like, how is it making you feel? So you did this, how it's making you feel. So instead of she seeking validation from others, she knows what I need to feel by doing this. So I asked her those things and we are done with that. Okay. And somehow that kitty was very beautiful. So I clicked the picture with her and I sent it to my mom. For my mom, seeing that for the first time, she was like a 6-year-old doing this amazing work, and she praised her too, like, oh wow, you did so good. Your kitty, her tummy, her tail. Da, 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 da." My mom is like that, and my daughter is okay, whatever. Because she knows what the level of her effort is. Now you're giving more than that. Either they create a fallacy or they will be like, झूठ बोल रही है, ये तो
ज्यादा हो गया
फर्जी है,
ज्यादा हो
ज्यादा
गया
हो गया. So they know that, like subconsciously we know that what our worth is in our subconscious, and it has to match a little higher. It should not be way too higher. फिर उसके बाद या तो वो झूठ लगेगा या तो फिर वो fantasy create कर देगा. So that is what the balance, like when you guys were talking, I'm like, मेरी औलाद तो बिल्कुल ऐसे ही बताती है वो. So this is what is my learning medium with her.
Wow. Wow. All right. With that, we will end the session here. Tomorrow, we will be reading about red strings and rigid chains, which is talking about the task of friendship. Okay. I hope to see all of you in the session tomorrow, and sleep well. Have a good night. And Anshika, have a wonderful day ahead. God bless you all. Arey, हाँ, वैसे, by the way, sorry, not tomorrow, Monday.
We got to know that though, yeah.
नहीं, I will forget. अरे मैं तो फिर कल बैठ जाऊंगी 10 बजे खोल के. अरे आज कोई आ क्यों नहीं रहा है?
So tomorrow you were supposed to 12 noon. Weekend.
Weekend book reading club. I have put a poll in the group. You have been added to that group.
Yes.
Hit the poll. ठीक है? Monday to Friday we are reading these 2 books. Saturday and Sunday we are reading The Power of Your Subconscious Mind.
Okay.
All right. Thank you. God bless you all, and good night. Have a wonderful day, Anshika. Bye.
Good night. Bye bye, all of you.
Good night, guys.
Bye bye.
Thank you. Good